you could build a wildly successful AI-powered YouTube channel without spending a single dollar? This video is your blueprint based on a fan's request, and unlike anything you've seen, no fluff, no filler, just the clearest, most step-by-step tutorial on going viral with AI content. You'll walk away knowing how to write compelling stories, generate stunning AI art, animate it with cinematic motion, and edit it all into scroll-stopping shorts. Bonus: most tools are 100% free. Whether you're a total beginner or a creator looking to scale fast, this strategy works. No fancy equipment, no editing degree, just smart tools, creativity, and hustle. Ready? Stay locked in till the end, because if you blink, you'll miss the gold. And hey, if you're watching without subscribing, come on, hit that button and let's build this together. So here's what sparked this whole tutorial. I stumbled on a channel with just 43 AI shorts, already at 2.6 million subs in under 3 months. The content? A yellow chick rescuing babies, simple, emotional, AI generated, and pulling tens of millions of views per video. You'd think it's a team of animators, right? Nope, just smart AI use and smart storytelling. And if you're still doubting whether these vids make money, time to bust that myth. Use the YouTube monetization checker Chrome extension. Bam, monetized. Still skeptical? Open Social Blade, 499 million views in 30 days. Even with a conservative RPM of 50 cents, that's over $200,000 a month. From shorts, motivation? Check. Let's turn that inspiration into action, step by step. Step 1, story prompts. Fire up ChatGPT. Don't know what to write? I got you. Grab my free viral prompt templates from the WhatsApp channel, link in description. These are custom built to trigger emotion, drama, and scroll-stopping moments. Paste one in ChatGPT. Get 3 unique, viral-ready storylines. Pick one. Now ask ChatGPT, give me 14 scene image animation prompts for story 3. Instant gold, scene-by-scene breakdowns to guide your entire video. Want to go deeper? Ask ChatGPT to rewrite the story in a specific tone. Tragic, inspiring, heroic, suspenseful. Each version can unlock a different emotion and boost engagement. Step 2. Generate AI images. You've got 2 solid options. Option 1. ChatGPT plus image generator. Click Create Image. Paste in your prompt and add 916 ratio for mobile first shorts. Looks off? Just tell ChatGPT what to fix. Clothes, background, even expressions. Repeat for all 14 scenes. Option 2. Plan AI. Free. Head to Plan AI. Click Create. Pick Palman Art Vive 1. Set your canvas to 916, then lock the seed. This helps with consistency. Paste your prompt. Hit Generate. Want better results? Play with adjectives like realistic, cartoonish, or 3D Pixar style. Swap character with specific types. Brave yellow chick, terrified baby duck. Small words, big difference. Step 3. Animate your scenes. Time to bring the images to life. Start with Kling AI, my personal favorite. Free plan gives you 166 monthly credits. Each vid 2035. Pro tip: multiple email trick, unlimited juice. Upload your scenes, paste the animation prompt from ChatGPT, add dynamic effects, camera shake, fade in, swoosh zoom, click generate. You'll feel like a Pixar director. Want more facial emotion and camera depth? Use Hiluo AI, 1000 free credits for 3 days, 100 free credits daily after that. Upload images, paste prompt, and fine-tune camera angles with their visual tool. Use it for close-ups, dramatic reveals, and emotional moments. This is what separates a decent short from a banger.
Wait, before we move on, if you're dreaming of making real money with AI but don't know where to start, this is your chance. Grab my ebook, Online Business with AI, with 20 plus zero investment business models. Start your journey today. Links in the description. Don't let this opportunity slip away.
Step 4. Editing in CapCut. Now it's editing time. This is where your story becomes addictive. First, sound. Grab background SFX from Pixabay or generate custom sounds on 11 Labs. Examples: wind blowing through trees, baby crying, feathers flapping. Even ambient noise adds realism. Next, open CapCut. Import your scenes and sounds. Zoom in, crop for consistency, and add smooth transitions. Overlay sound effects during action or emotional spikes. Then drop in royalty-free music. Choose tracks that match the mood, tension, sadness, victory. It's not just a video, it's an experience. Final polish, review every second. Is the pacing right? Does it flow? If not, adjust. This is your masterpiece. I built 2 demo shorts using these methods. Tell me in the comments which one wins. I'm seriously curious, and that's a wrap. Legends. If you learned something today, drop a like, leave a comment, and smash subscribe. This is how we grow this channel together. Got a niche or idea you want me to test next? Tell me below. I read every single comment. Your idea could be the next viral video. And remember, you're just one upload away from changing your entire life. Start messy. Start now. Just start. Catch you in the next one. Let's go.
Join my Telegram channel, link in the description, where you'll get exclusive editing materials and insider info on the best AI tools. Absolutely free. Need a personal guide on any topic? Feel free to DM me on Telegram.